What's up, guys? It's me, Geek, and good morning. So the question is, I should go and get a degree from the Ohio University main campus. Come to this plane. Let's find out about the Ohio State University. Yes, you heard me right. The Ohio State University. Okay, so public. I'm happy to be honest with you. Let me look at the tuition. The tuition is good for instant. Out of state is absolutely high for a public institute. Let me look at their rank, because ranking is the one thing which a lot of people overlook these days. The rank is amazing. It's a percentage. Here's one thing: if you can get admission into the Ohio State University, what are you waiting for? Go for it. Most probably, we are asking me this question, which means that you are not that smart enough. Again, do not get me wrong. There are some academic people. I'm not academic. I'm a loser, so called, according to the definition of the university. I'm an entrepreneur. My mind is creative. I love traveling around the world. I can't sit in a typical academic classroom. That's how I am. Okay, calm down. Which state send more students to Ohio? Okay, I don't care, to be honest with you. Asian dude on the front. Okay, it's good. I wanna be honest. Asian, especially Chinese people, are taking over USA. Of course, USA earn good amount of money. By accepting international student. Yeah, most probably I can recommend that. Subscribe. Bye.